Hello guys, I think I'm back. Um, I think something broke somewhere along the line. Hello? Is it working now? Oh, we're back. And we've been... Stream reset. Okay, fine. Hello everybody. I'm just gonna try and get chat stuff back. Right. We are back again. My internet just completely... basically. So let's continue. Just gonna do... Ooh. So you can see how bad this is. I think there's like 3 acts or something. Oh god. Yeah. So. No, there was only 1 act in the end. Right, so. Should we clean out a bit of this cringe bucket? God, there was actually an Act 2 button as well. Right, let's have a look at that. Right. I might need a bigger, thicker brush. Too thick. Let me get my tablet so I can actually write in a decent handwriting. One second. Just move my phone and stuff out of the way. Just drop everything whilst I'm at it. Where's the pen? There it is. Right. Ooh. Right. Perfect. We're just gonna basically deface the game. Oh, it's nice, yeah. Ooh. Righty. Let's got so many sprites. Okay, right. Collectibles, coin, health, climbable, bullets. Should make everything free. There's no more level restrictions. And then when it's drawing, remove the condition there. Because we're not saying you need to be level whatever. So now if we're going to the store, you can get all the weapons without needing anything special. So if I jump into this game, yeah, look, now everything is there. So you don't need to be a level, you just get them with the coins. Yeah, so credits breaks the audio. Right, so if I go double click, edit the object, left down, goes to room title, and then going to room title causes it to... oh wait. I want the creation code of this page. Okay, now. Title sound. There we go. Perfect. Now I've fixed that. You know, the guys at NerdThings are not going to be happy. Yeah, it looks good. The three main staff guys hate this game really much, like a lot. They will do anything to make me not release it. So, just expect me to disappear after a while. These signs. Now this is an Easter egg. I think. There's a bit somewhere that you could just fall right through. Somehow. Oh no, I know how it was. I remember it now. How could I not double jump there? Also notice how it doesn't award you oh my god, I can't. What? Perfect, right. It was on this bit. Somewhere. There we go. Kinda like lets you break the game. There's a little Easter egg that absolutely no one got until I told them about it. It was good. I thought if I already said, oh, I forgot you could do this. His legs just like compress. Oh, I forgot that guy. X is attack as well. I didn't know that. Oh, of course, because when his arrow keys introduced, I decided to add an X as well. So you can play either really relaxed or really compressed. I don't even need the health thing. No, I don't think you could actually get them. To think I was back in like my second year, I wanted to revive this. I feel really bad for wanting to revive this. There we go, look. So we completed the tutorial level. Right. Let's just like deface everything else. It's basically just gonna be a re-release of a bunch of bug fixes, I'm guessing. I'm gonna be really mean and say, you idiot. Do it. That's really bad handwriting. That's better. Right. Y'all wasted your time. I didn't say I was going to be very nice to this game when I said I was going to revive it. Right, so if I was to just go and die, it's very rude to me, isn't it? You idiot, yeah, right. If I go and complete level, this is actually the hardest level in the game, probably. This is made like last. I mean, look at this. You complete the tutorial thinking, oh, this could actually be a bit challenging, then you get this. I remember making this level. Everybody basically just shook their heads. Right then, so. Try and find the background sprite. Where the background's stored? Are they all? Oh no, they got merged into tile sets, didn't they? No. So where are they then? They are in tile sets. Oh, they've been merged. Right, I see. Right, it's a background title screen. So it seems a bit serious when you get to this, and then you get this bit serious, and you think, oh, it's gonna be a bit joke, and then oh, this is supreme. Right, let's go and screw around with the credits. Then we'll be done here, because I'm bored. The game sucks. If you can call it a game. Let's just like say I'm just gonna make him just get his first name, he's not allowed a second name. Right, let's have a look at the credits. I remember when Josh was a part of our team. That was so long ago. He disbanded with the rest of everybody. Right, look at that. Oh, it starts off the top. Right, so let's remove some of these hashes. I'm gonna send this to the Vice in a minute. He's not gonna like it. There we go. I think we're done here. I don't want to spend too much more time on this. It's cringe as it is. I hate myself. Can I just go and rot now, please? Can we never bring this game back again? Two years of pain, there we go. Why does it change? Object game in it. Does absolutely nothing. I like that. Game title. Where did you set the game title? What? I'm confused. How do you set the game title? Why don't I know this already? Like, I've worked on this for a scary amount of time and I still don't know anything about the game engine. This is because this is new. 2 years of pain, yes. Cringe, yeah. Fine, we're leaving it. We're leaving it. Better than what we had. Alright, let's just completely do this. Let's just go for it. Create executable. What? C. Program files x86. Microsoft Visual Studio. 2017 Enterprise. VC. Tools. Install path, right? Common 7 tools VC vars. What? Setting up for Windows. Okay, so if I just go to Visual Studio // apply, maybe create executable, maybe. Is that what you want while you work now? Zip. Documents. GitHub. Endless journey. Try again. Screw it, let's don't rename it because this is going to take a lot of fixes, I think. Unless that was it, then I'm happy. God, it's doing it. Documents, GitHub. Yeah, this journey. Can we please be done with this? I'm gonna die if we can't finish this up soon. Package complete. Okay, cool. Right, we're done here. See, ta-da. Done. The endless 2 years of pain. That's us. Right, I'm putting it into news. Upload it onto our website in a couple minutes. Actually, no, I'll just put it onto Mega. I'm not logged in, am I? Might be. Oh, yes, I am. Right, upload. Upload, please. Let's do it already. Please, do it. Just already. Just finish me. Right, back. No, I don't want that. I want this. Endless 2 years of pain. Get a link. And we're done. I'm not ever touching that source code again. I'm literally just about to delete it again now. I hate it so much. That's it. Right, we're done. Go away. I might use that software again for another game at some point. For now, I'm going to change our campaign now to be Inferno engine now. Update. Right, let's have a look in chat. You like NFX? Yeah, I like NFX. Oh, I'll join you. Sup? I can't hear you very well. 1 second. Right, okay. Hello.
So, I made the port, right?
Yeah?
So do you, I don't know, I went on staff chat and you asked like NFX for help. And then you said I'm quite busy and you don't like me. So
Yeah.
you don't like NFX?
Oh, I like him. He's just joking about. Currently, I'm working on this stupid loop system for Inferno, where I'm trying to get every descendant of a child, and basically every child can have more children, and they can have more children, and they can have more children. I'm trying to cycle through them all.
What type of game are you making anyway?
Because we're on stream, I'm going to not say. We're announcing that way later on in the year. So.
Alright, well that's the PC port. I'm gonna grab it with the magic wand.
Nice.
No. Thank you. I'm gonna grab it with the magic wand. Thing about it's really easy to make PC ports from your drawings on paper for Photoshop because paint bucket to it, so
yeah. Right.
not censor this, and then I'm done.
Actually, no, that's not going to work because then I won't be able to create a reference to it. Right, I think I need to make a child locking system for the Inferno, because basically currently I'm looping over everything, and whilst I loop, if a modification is made, it'll break, because for each will say, uh-oh, this collection's been modified. I think what I might have to do...
I never knew you wanted to make a game.
Yeah, I've been working on this engine since August last year.
I guess you took a break from it.
Yeah, I took like a break between Christmas and like I stopped around November-ish and came back to it a couple months ago. I started again in January. It was like my New Year's resolution: finish Inferno for once.
Okay.
Right, so I'm gonna make a locker first.
Well, we're both working on the same project, I guess. Like the same point of the project.
Yeah.
I need to finish. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember this is not plugged in. My dad's tablet.
Now and then private list of instances.
Hold on. No.
Right, so if it's setting to true, then nothing. If it's being set to false, then I will do for each instance in. Actually, I want to set it up first so that new things don't get locked. Then I want to do add child for each instance.
Child? Why a child?
Because I've got a parent-child system for this game. I'm currently making a locking system to stop the issues when I modify the collection whilst I'm looping over it. And so basically I'm making a temporary array that will only be used when children are locked, and then once it's unlocked, it'll add them all onto the main. So it just makes it a little bit easier. So that child won't exist until it's been unlocked, which will be a matter of a couple seconds.
It's an abortion, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, let's do that.
Right, so now I need to go right back up to the top of this code and find everywhere that's going to access these. So add child.
Okay, I'm gonna fucking do this with the mouse.
If children are not locked, do that. Else.
That looks like shit. Are you just fine with the version I sent you, or what?
Yeah, it's good. I can do color changes, etc. once I've decided on color schemes or whatever for this engine, but right, and then I clear that so I don't double up on anything.
Stuff.
Oh god, now I need to do a children to be removed list as well. Right. Private list of integers. Children to be removed after lock. Now that's going to be a list of indexes. So for each int index in underscore children to be removed after lock. Remove child underscore children index. Right, so now I'll remove the child at the index in that array. Cool. So now I can add
I kind of want the. You haven't updated the website with all the things I sent you.
yeah, I'm leaving the website until we've got the game done, because there's not much I can actually put on it until we've got a game.
You got a good point.
Right, find index of instance in children of child. What? A predicate.
Oh yeah, I was about to. Okay, well then you can just answer that question later.
Right, let's find that instead. Index of
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make you a sign out thing on the stream. Say NerdThings offline or something.
wait, what?
I'm gonna make another overlay so it says like NerdThings offline or something. You know?
Yeah.
And you're offline.
No, I think it shows up. I think actually
No,
just
I know.
it shows your title banner when it's offline.
I know that. It's just that like Twitch people and shit.
Mm.
'Cause I work with them. When they sign off, they have like a thing.
Oh yeah, like a 5 minute. Like they just leave it there for a bit.
Yeah.
Get children of class. Right. And so children will no longer be modified when it's locked. And so when I'm cycling over things, children locked equals true, and then false. So I should actually be able to just take this out of try catches now, because now we should just be able to lock and then unlock things, and they shouldn't break. Here's for hoping. It is a very nice day outside. It was raining earlier.
I was running for you too. Wait, what time zone do you
GMT.
I live in EST. I'm in Florida.
Ah.
It was raining here too. Pretty hard. Sunny.
It's not that hard raining actually. It was just drizzle earlier, but it's mostly sunny. It's like better
Oh,
than what
no.
we were expecting
had
here.
We had a thunderstorm.
Jesus.
It's not like. It's not rare.
It's just odd because it's like so sunny here. I can't imagine a thunderstorm today.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Now I should make children locked a public boolean. so that I can adjust it on other children as well, stopping issues when you're destroying children because it cycles over everything else, and so it'll lock the child that we're modifying. And so I know we're going too far down. Let's destroy. Child.lock. Actually, no, I don't, because I'm destroying the instance. And underscore children is already. Okay, no, I'm just overthinking that.
I like keeping the GFX from NerdThings simple.
Yeah. Had a barbecue last night. It was nice. Had some chicken and stuff. I had a barbecue a couple nights before that as well.
I had my dad made ribs.
Nice.
That was nice. And then my uncle came from the hospital.
Right, so what I've done here should mean that it no longer skips drawing, which is a big part of the game. So like currently, if something goes wrong, say you add an instance right in the middle of an update or a draw, then what will happen is it just won't draw the rest. And so say you were in the middle of like just starting to draw and it broke, then you'd have a frame with nothing on it.
How do you spell knee? Knee.
KNEE.
Okay, yeah, I know. That's how I spelled it. I was like, I didn't want to get it wrong. What was like exposed?
Right, so now instances will lock, which is safe. Now locking instances will be a little bit annoying. Because what will happen...
What grade are you in?
I'm in Scottish 3rd year, which I don't know what that would be the equivalent of in your system.
3rd year in high school?
For me, yeah, I'm 3rd year in high school after 7 in primary school, plus 1 in nursery, so...
I'm 8th. I'm about to go to high school.
Day bad.
I want to go to a magna program school.
Uh-huh.
Even if I have bad grades, they're going to accept me for the photoshopping skills. Because apparently, like, that's what you need or whatever. Because they have a huge Photoshop program or whatever. Graphic design. And I can draw and do Photoshop, so I'll get accepted. And I want to learn how to code Blue and shit. I don't get it. Like, the fuck? Like, what's a loop? Wait, how long have you been coding anyway?
Since I've been about 8 years old.
8 years?
Yeah.
What the fuck? What? How? How?
That's something a lot of people ask me.
Does an 8-year-old even know how to use a computer?
Yeah.
What? I was playing my Nintendo. 8 years old, dude. What? Not my Game Boy, actually. Hold up. Yeah.
So for every instance in the children there, I will go ret dot. Nah, then I should do for each instance in process children of insta ret dot add result. Right, and so now I'll go over everything of that and then process its children, which will process its... Hopefully this doesn't cause a Stack Overflow, because this is a bit of a heavy thing. Right. If this crashes me, then I know for a start something is wrong. But let's go into game 1 and just do... Ooh, hang on. That's fine, it's just a weird bug that's showing up and I don't know why. Get descend. Oh yeah, I can fix it. Is it that? Is that gonna fix it now? Can it go away? No. It just will not leave me alone this error.
Okay, I'm done. What do you call it? NerdThings anyway?
Oh, it's just a random thing we came up whilst we were thinking about it. I was on holiday at the time.
Okay.
We were called something a bit more cringy, which I'm not mentioning. Now, if people go and snoop around through the code for through the game, like the file that I just released on Mega, you'd find our old name somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna go snoop around. Thank you. Well, that's your offline thing, overlay thing.
Hang on a second, I should just have a go at this. Right, that should now let me in. I just need to modify this. And I will modify this. So I'm working on bounds at the moment because I'm getting ready for physics. I'm working on collisions and all the other fun. Wait, why am I starting an Android VM? Don't do that, please. That's going to take a year to start and then a year to stop starting. Let's go back. Let's go back to PC because the Android VMs are really bad. Like, they will take ages just to boot. Then you've got to wait for it to like load up the program and such. It's much easier just working on a physical platform. Oh,
well, that's my dad right there.
Of course.
right. Let's go back to debug mode. That way I can actually debug it.
Okay, this is what I wanted to.
Wait, why did it try to debug the production version? Oh. Uh-oh. It's already locked and the lock is already broken.
Okay, that's what I wanted to do.
Because I forgot to create the list.
Please
So.
go away now. Okay.
Oh my god, Wilza, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh hey Wilza, I didn't even realize you were here.
I just joined. Yeah.
Jeez. We've got everybody up in here. Including Scotty, who's a bit AFK at the moment, but he's still here. Jeez.
Sir Scotty of Texas.
Yeah.
How can you be Scotty but in Texas?
So
Why not?
Scotty at
Alright. Now, the game actually loaded, meaning that we're not getting a Stack Overflow, meaning I did my job correctly.
Good.
If you guys are watching this stream, you're about to see this really cool thing. Basically, spacebar moves the camera by 1 on each of the axes. So it moves 1x, x and y1, x and y2, x and y3. Hello World is in a UI element, and the really weird yellow blob thing that I've called slime is not a GUI element. So when I move the camera, the GUI element stays, and the thing in the workspace moves with the camera. So that the GUI stays on the screen no matter where the camera is, and the thing in the workspace is staying in position.
That's a slime? It looks like a blob.
I made it like back in August last year when I was just I couldn't be bothered. I just went so well, either way, I didn't Stack Overflow, meaning I can now get all of the descendants of a child of like an instance. Why was I doing that?
You should make an abort option.
Actually, why did I do that? Why did I make it get? Oh yeah, I was checking if the object was standing on something, because I'm basically doing something where I'm working out, am I touching something solid? But I need to be able to look for everything in the game to determine if I'm touching
I'm
something.
gonna mail you a fucking headset, dude.
Mail me a headset.
Yes.
Lovely.
That echo's like killing me, dog.
Oh crap, yeah, hold up.
I'm like, oh, like, give me your address, I'm gonna mail you some. Yeah, hey, where did that Gucci thing come in yet?
Oh, what, the tiger sweatshirt?
Yeah, that's for sure.
Nah, it still hasn't come yet. Been
Yeah, Gucci's
ages.
kind of bad.
Yeah.
Use Grail, they're faster and it's cheaper for good shit.
Yeah.
That's where I buy my shit from.
It's in the UK, I guess. It just takes ages.
Oh, are you in England? You got it easy then, because I'm in Scotland. It takes an extra day for everything.
God, Scotland.
So like Amazon 1 day delivery takes 2 to 3 days.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Amazon's lying to you. What the-
Hang on, let me just do an object hack here.
I don't get how Wilza does fucking UFO. He explains it well, right? But it looks like gibberish to me.
Gibberish.
What, LUA? LUA is the easiest language on earth.
Yeah, it is. I'd say that and C# are probably the
C# requires a bit more common sense than LUA. No
Well,
offense.
if you want to do more complex things with C#. But,
No, if you need to go complex, you should just give up on C#.
Yeah.
You should just go straight to
as
C++.
in terms of complexity for C#, as complex as you can go for that. Now that starts getting a bit harder, but in terms of just basic C# or just like intermediate, it's relatively easy.
Yeah.
All I know how to do is use the fucking pen tool on my drawing tablet, so...
Pen tool. Oh, fair
Pen
enough.
tool.
Right. Well, yeah, I'm not that good at art, so I still just tend to get some GFX from other peeps like you. Just, there you go.
If it is a subclass of object, then
Why is everyone that sends you GFX so shit? I'm looking at your Discord, right? And
Oh,
in the
yeah.
GFX section, it's literally fucking Microsoft Paint. I had to teach a guy how to fucking use the 3D rendering.
I hate 3D rendering in that. It's like the worst.
I make it okay. Let me send it to you. Didn't take me too long. There's a copy of the old logo in Shade. I just 3D rendered it. I think Rosa likes the new one, the more modern one.
Yeah. I prefer it. It's freezing.
Yeah.
I am
more-
confused.
No links allowed. What the fuck, Dino? Fuck you.
Using system.reflection. Am I using system.reflection? I better be.
Suck my dick.
Great.
If I include system.reflection, I should now be able to get type info. There we go. Perfection.
No.
I need to get started. I need to start working on fucking Shade V2.
Oh god.
I legit haven't worked on it for ages.
I thought you were concentrating on your website for now, which is bad.
Yeah,
What?
I was.
Wait, I was so confused.
The website is quite bad.
I'm sorry, but it
I do realise that.
yeah.
But yeah, I need to get. I don't know if I can. I'll just do like the basic stuff for the website, and then I'll finish it off later. I'll do like Shade and Zago admin page for
Hey,
them.
In modules, you wanna unmute me? Dinobot was being gay.
Dinobot, what? Where?
Dino was being gay, and they kept on removing my pictures. So I kept on sending the pictures.
Let's have a look. Message deleted in stream chat. Dino. Oh, it's because I removed you guys' permission to modify rules because somebody was screwing about giving me the muted role. So I just revoked all of you guys' permission. Let me put it back, and so it should ignore you again. Let's have a look. Wait, hang on. No, I gave you guys a complete new role, so you can't manage channels. Or I'll give you it back now that Ted has gone. Yeah. Meme. Yep. Right, you should not be muted now.
Okay, cool. Still muted.
How about now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Cool. Go post that picture again.
I posted.
Okay, Dino didn't get you this time, right? I just reinstated your permissions.
Oh yeah, that 3D one.
Yeah. It wasn't really hard to make. I can do it again. So if you guys need 3D renderings, I got you. I learned how to do it.
So many people, you know, from the Shade logo, it's like so many people thought I made that by myself, but I don't think people realise that's legit just the that's just the Versace logo reskinned with Shade. So I thought it looked sick, so I was like, that works.
Right, does this logic sound right? I'm getting every descendant from the entire workspace, which sounds bad, which it is. That's gonna get everything in the entire game in one array.
Yeah.
And then I get the type of that and check if it's an object. If it's not, then I just continue. And then if it's an object, then I cast it to an object, and then this is an object of my own type, not the lowercase o for object. And then once I've done that, I check if the bounds are touching the top of the object. If it is touching the top of the object, then I break out of the loop, and then I go ahead and apply my gravity logic. And so, does that sound right? Should I add an extra check after applying velocity to see if I'm going to be touching something before before moving there, just in case I'm about to move into something?
Wilza, you exposed yourself, bro. I have your knee pick now.
My knee pick. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Cheers.
Looks like a butt.
Knee pick.
Actually, that's not going to be a decent system, is it? Because I'm going to be getting every object from the entire world repeatedly for every object in the world. This isn't efficient.
Oh wait, you're still streaming, right? I was gonna ask you the question, but I'm not gonna say that on stream.
Anyways, how is SkyHub going?
It's going pretty good. I'm waiting for Iris to like fucking finish studying and get online.
Oh, yeah, same.
Yeah,
Do law study, like GCSE, so.
no, I'm just practicing Lua with fucking.
Oh, he's studying Lua?
Yeah.
You know, I'm just going to end this stream here. I'm bored of this stuff now. This isn't working for me.
Fair enough.
So, thanks guys for watching, and what did I just do? I'll see you
You're
guys.
the only one watching.
Bye.